The MICHLEY LSS-202 LSS-202 Mini 2-speed sewing machine is a compact and portable sewing machine that is perfect for beginners, children, and those who travel frequently. Despite its small size, it is packed with features that make it easy to use and versatile. It has a double thread and a double speed function, allowing you to switch between high speed and low speed stitching depending on the project. The machine has 8 built-in stitches, including straight, zigzag, and buttonhole, which can be easily selected using the stitch selector dial. It also has a built-in light that illuminates the work area, making it easier to see while working on projects. The machine is also lightweight, making it easy to take with you on the go. The MICHLEY LSS-202 LSS-202 Mini 2-speed sewing machine is also easy to set up and start using right away. It comes with an instruction manual and a set of accessories that include a foot pedal, a power adapter, and a needle threader. The machine is also easy to maintain, with a removable bobbin case and a simple needle replacement process. Overall, the MICHLEY LSS-202 LSS-202 Mini 2-speed sewing machine is a great option for anyone looking for a compact, portable, and easy-to-use sewing machine. Its versatile features and ease of use make it a great choice for beginners and those who travel frequently. Let us know what you think about the MICHLEY LSS-202 LSS-202 Mini 2-speed sewing machine in the comments below. If you like it, so grab it now. Link in the description. If you buy from our provided link, you will get an extra discount. Go and get it.